If you're trying to decide between Boldin and Monarch Money in 2026, they honestly solve two completely different problems. I've been testing both, and here's the simplest way to think about it. Boldin is all about long-term retirement planning. It's the one you use when you're asking, will my money actually last? It runs things like inflation, taxes, Roth conversions, even Monte Carlo simulations. Super powerful, but yeah, it's not the prettiest or easiest tool to learn. On the other side, Monarch Money is built for day-to-day life. It tracks your spending, connects all your accounts, and gives you a clean, modern dashboard so you can actually see where your money is going. It's also way better for couples managing money together. So here's the verdict. Use Boldin if you're focused on retirement strategy and deep planning. Use Monarch if you want simple, modern budgeting and control over your daily cash flow. Different tools, different jobs.